What's up, everybody? Yakmouth here. I've been doing a couple of DIY projects, and I was just ideas that popped up in my head, and I was like, I want to try this out. And worst case scenario, I break a controller that's already broken. But fortunately, I figured out with the two broken controllers that I had how to open up the PS4 controller. So I was able to do a shell swap, and this is basically the process. So if you enjoyed the video, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe before you leave, and see you guys in the next one.